the body is suffering from disease. Okay, so बच्चे move to the next one. If for example we are having some problem in our tissues, okay, for example we are having some psychological problems, our organs are not physiological problems or psychological problem, okay, our body is not working properly, mental health is not proper, okay, for example you are having some stomach pain, cannot digest the food. In that case what will happen? That means some disease related to your digestive system is there. Okay, so that means some symptoms and sign will occur. Okay बच्चे, now what is the difference between symptoms and sign? बच्चे, symptoms can be common for many diseases, but sign are specific for a specific disease. For example, if a weight loss is common in many diseases, it can be in cancer, it can be in AIDS, it can be in diarrhea. Okay, so losing the weight is common in all these diseases. But sign, for example, if any tumor is there, if any that means the person is suffering from cancer, if any of the immune system is not functioning properly, that means if the person will fall sick again and again, that will indicate the person's immune system is not working. Okay, so that is the indication for AIDS. So that means that are specific signs and symbols which will justify that whether you are suffering from disease and which type of disease is there. Is disease related to your kidney, is related to your digestive system, or is related to your excretory system? That will depend upon its sign and symptoms. Okay, so bache, now let's talk about the various type of diseases. So bache, here you will learn about the various type of disease. Okay, first is acute disease, acute and chronic. So bache, acute diseases are those diseases which last for a short period of time. Okay, and it does not affect body much, does not affect body in adverse manner. Okay, that means the body is not going to suffer from the symptoms or sign, or it will not suffer for a long period of time. So the diseases which last for a short period of time, they are acute diseases, and which last for a long period of time, they are called as a chronic diseases, and its effect can last for long period of time. It can even last for lifetime. Okay, so here you can write example like common cold,